Hi everyone. You know Bang&olufsen DVD-1 product. Here this one. Black. Like new. Bang&olufsen DVD-1. Here is keypad. Front loading system. Here is a Bang&olufsen DVD-1 type number you can see here DVD-1 type number 4621 MK1 DVD-1 MK1 type number. Here is a Philips DVD mechanism. Okay, AC plug here, DVD product information here, digital output, audio left, audio right. Okay, 1 2 3 output here for video and data and SCART. Okay, and switch here, RGB, YC. Okay, 3 steps. Okay, black MK1 Bang&olufsen DVD-1 Philips mechanism MK1. You know MK1 Philips mechanism, MK2 DVD-1 Pioneer mechanism. Okay, MK2 Pioneer mechanism, MK1 Philips mechanism DVD-1. Okay, how tear down this product? You know, let's get starting for tear down. Okay, first always you need the screwdriver. Okay, and Torx type screw. Okay, this one always you need this one. Okay, because all the Bang&olufsen product using screw type driver. Okay, first 2 screw left and right side. Okay, back. Okay, left and right side back. Okay, look, this one left, this right. Now is remove it. 1 screw here and here. This plastic cover. Okay, push forward. Okay, this plastic cover here, left, and other right side. Okay, one screw here, this one, others same, right cover. Okay, 2 plastic cover and left and right side. Okay, and then more you can see here. Okay, 1 2 screw. Okay, now it's removing. 1 2, and there is other side. Okay, 2 screw more. Okay, DVD-1 MK1 type. Okay, okay, all the screw is removed. here 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay, 6 screw, okay, and then pull up cover. You can do it, okay. Yes, here DVD1 is black. It's very clean, okay, nice product, black new, okay. Here is inside DVD1, okay. Mechanism, front loading stem, and power module here. Look, it's a little big power. It's a very nice module. Is power, okay. DVD1, Phillips mechanism, okay. This one here, 2 flexible cable here, okay, 2 flexible cable, okay, and backside input output PCB here, okay. 3 PCB, input output, DVD mechanism and PCB power supply, okay. MK1 DVD1 using Phillips DVD mechanism, okay. MK2 DVD mechanism Pioneer, okay. This one maybe 15 years old product, Bang&olufsen DVD1. First DVD1 MK1, others MK2, okay. Now I will show how to work in this one, okay. Here is a plug, electrical connection, okay. I put here. Yes, now it's working, okay. This standby red light here, okay. Here is keypad, okay. Here is keypad. Look, this DVD is working now, and play here. You can see here, now it's working DVD1. Look here. I will put here CD. Now in track 1, okay. Look here. Track 2. Here DVD mechanism, Phillips DVD mechanism, DVD1, MK1 type, okay. Again inside the CD. Yes, this is good. Look, track 1, track 2, track 4. Here is DVD1 type is MK1 Philips DVD mechanism. Okay, it's power supply, and here input output PCB. Okay, here input output PCB. Okay, two flexible here for connection input output PCB. Other connection here. This is little big connection. Other 4 connection here. Mechanism. Okay. And one flexible cable here for front panel. Okay, here this DVD1 here. Now I will try one DVD. Okay, I will put here and inside. Now it's reading DVD. Okay, yes, it's working. We can see here. Okay, and here DVD is working now. DVD, VCD and CD and working, no problem. Okay, and stop. Okay, I want to show how inside DVD1 MK1 type and Philips mechanism and power supply and back PCB input output DVD1. Next video, see you guys. Okay, bye bye.